What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be more filmed on my GoPro. I didn't bring my camera. My camera, it turns on, but it gives a black screen. Like, I can't see what was on the screen. But my first few orders I was able to see on the screen. I thought it was filming fine. So until I got home and I started editing it, and I had zero footage from that camera. So I'm coming back to film the intro on my lovely GoPro. This is what I wear on my chest when I do the deliveries. So you're gonna get all the pickup, drop off, POV. And I've been struggling. If you've seen my last video, I've been struggling in the Brandon area, and I've been trying different areas. So we went downtown Tampa. I was scheduled for 2 hours, which was fine, a nice little lunch rush just to get, you know, a feel of the place. I've delivered there before, and I made probably the most I've had ever per hour. I delivered on DoorDash and on Uber Eats, so I multi-apped. My husband was driving because parking downtown is always like questionable. You don't know if you're gonna get to a high-rise that has no parking or a hotel that has like a valet. Towards the end of the video, I'm showing you some crazy orders that I was declining on both apps, and the craziest order that with the most miles I have ever received. So you're going to see that in this video. I do want to start by saying I did schedule with Solo. Every shift I do, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Fresh, I always schedule with Solo. They also partner with many other apps, and they track your miles. They help you when it comes tax time. They offer a guaranteed earnings. It's always nice to have it as a backup. Some days I am surprised that Solo will throw me like $9 for my shift the day before, and it's just more money that the app should be paying us anyways. Solo just wants to make sure that we are paid a guaranteed amount. If you use the link in the description to sign up, you'll start off with $10 in your account, and you get a free trial. Try it out. It definitely helps. I use it every single time I schedule on any app that I use. So anyways, enough talking in this intro. Let's get right into all the action. All right, we got our first order. It is $7 for 2 miles.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Already ready? Have a good day. Nicole? Thank you. $7.50. Had a $1 hidden tip.
Pick it up?
Yeah, for John. That's not it.
John M?
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got the good. So for the order I just picked up, I was almost to the drop-off, and I got this order on DoorDash. So I was going to run and drop off the Uber Eats and then head right across the street to pick up the DoorDash order. Oh, wow. All right, it just says it's in this building, so. This is the slowest elevator I have ever been on. 504, 506. Boom. All right, we got the number in there. I hear him inside talking, so I don't want to like knock because it's a leave at door, so I left it. I hate coming up in buildings. It's like the worst thing. And then the elevator is so slow. I got that DoorDash order too. I gotta go get.
You doing? You too. Going up?
Down.
No, I'm going to 6, but
Okay, that's
take
fine.
the ride.
That's fine. These are slow anyways.
Yeah, they are.
Picking up for
What's the name?
Aaron. Oh, that might be it.
Aaron. Let me check on.
Okay.
Aaron, yes.
Yep.
That's this one with the 5 cookies, yes. It's not ready yet, but let me check on it.
Okay. Oh, look at the pickup time. 11:31. It's 11:27. So even with dropping off the Uber order, I'm still 4 minutes early.
Are those pieces start you off? Move all those. And then the back.
Alrighty.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. That building right there.
Right here.
Yeah. You're welcome. Have a good day. The miles were kind of high on this one, and I never picked up from this place before, but I'm so glad I accepted it because the tip on this one, when I got back to the truck and hit delivered, I realized that it came out to $17.50 with a $15 tip. I was not expecting that at all. Look at this one, $17.50 for 23.6 miles. That's probably the farthest one I've ever seen. I'm gonna screenshot that for real, but that is a decline. That is crazy. All right, now I'm getting a $12.75 for 15 miles, taking me over to St. Pete area. That is another crazy order. Wow, for Sephora, for one item at Sephora. Decline. We're at the hour mark now, and I got 25 on here and 10 on Uber Eats, so we're at $35 in 1 hour. I'm hoping our next hour looks like that too, because man, I've been struggling in Brandon, but this is pretty good out here. All right, $6 for 0.7 miles at the McDonald's right across the street. Let's go pick it up.
Pick up at McDonald's.
I'm just gonna walk over there.
Make a left turn, then make a right turn.
I started getting really car sick from all the stop and go being in the passenger seat. Yeah, seeing you up there. C30 ED. OED. Thank you. Oh no, go away.
Are you delivering?
Yes, for Amber.
I'll let you out.
Got it. Excuse me. God, there was a lot of orders up there. I've never seen it that busy. I didn't show the drop-off action on the last order because the guy came to the window and got the food from the truck. I ended the shift early because I was just getting so car sick. I don't know why. I ride with him all the time and it doesn't happen, but I just couldn't take it anymore. So I did end early, but mainly because we made so much money. On DoorDash, I made $31, and on Uber Eats, I made $18.25. And yes, that is both an hour and 40 minutes. I turned both apps on at the same time and turned both apps off at the same time. So that is an hour and 40 minutes. I made $49.25 divided by 1.4. So I made $35 per hour. Like, if I wish we could have kept going and I didn't get car sick. I was literally back to back. The only time I didn't have an order was when I was standing outside the truck showing you the orders I was declining. Like, we didn't sit at all. It was so busy. Like, that's the goal when we come out to deliver. Like, that's the ideal kind of lunch rush you want, where you're not sitting at all. But lately in the areas I've been delivering in, I'm sitting majority of the time, and I just feel like I'm wasting so much time. So I'm going to be going back to downtown Tampa. Also, I'm trying different areas, so keep an eye out for that, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Solo. I'll link it in the comments and in the description box. Make sure you got a backup plan, and make sure you're tracking every single mile. Tax time is coming, you guys. I hope I edited into this video to make sense, to make up for the footage that I lost, but I didn't want to lose like this day. So give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video.